Good afternoon, everybody, and I thank each one of you for having given us an opportunity to make a presentation today. And before I start, I would also like to introduce my partner, Mr. Ravi Chandran, who has been the person doing the coding behind all the products that we have. So I will quickly run through a set of presentations but it will be basically about our flagship product called iAccept, and then subsequently I will also run through two of the other smaller products that we have developed. How would anyone like to decrease the cost of hiring by at least 50% by doing just nothing? Or how would you like to eliminate uncertainty? Or do you as a corporate want to make a value statement? What I mean by value statement is, what do you stand for? What are the ethics? What are the value systems? Do you want to make a statement to the people whom you want to attract? If your answer is yes to any of them, you should subscribe to iAccept. Now what is the problem we are trying to solve? Now today this is a peculiar problem for the Indian scenario. Today what happens is more so in the IT and the BPO space, the employees in India, they compete for talent, and the job seeker gets multiple offers. Perfectly fine, nothing wrong. He gets all the offers, they accept all the offers on paper, and every prospective employer hopes that the candidate will join them. Fine. The problem here is, obviously the candidate can join only one place, so the N-1 employers, obviously their plans go awry. I mean, the plans go fud, and because obviously they cannot predict, or possibly they also lose an opportunity of probably having been able to make an offer to somebody else. So we thought, why not? And this was a problem we were also facing earlier when we were trying to hire people, and the whole plan goes. And then we also found that there is a lot of changes which has happened in the last 20-30 years, where the word of, in fact, if you see the tagline that we have is called "My Word of Honor." So people do not, here at least, I mean, and we always had a problem with the US clients saying that, see, you cannot predict what's going to happen. I think you should have more people in the bench. So coming back to an analogy, in the manufacturing sector, you have more inventory, and ultimately to liquidate the inventory, similarly you hire a little more people, and then there's an associated cost for all of them, which most of the people don't attribute to. And then subsequently at some point of time you have to downsize and things like that. That's what I meant. If you want to reduce your cost, how can you do that? So this is basically the home page. It's a very simple site. It's a very simple transaction site. The concept that it tries to use is very simple. Any one of you who has purchased a property, you look at the property and try to see, or try to get what is called as an encumbrance certificate to ensure that the property is not already sold to somebody else. So this uses the concept of an encumbrance certificate, and it also uses the concept of what we call, typically what a CIBIL or something does, is about the credit rating of the individual. So what is the solution we are trying to do? We have done this as an independent third-party portal, enabling all employers to solve this problem by issuing a notarized acceptance certificate. Process is simple. All the constitutional individual rights are maintained. There is no confidentiality breach as far as the individual is concerned, neither for companies. So they need not share data. At the same time, each one tends to benefit. The data on people who abscond is also tracked, which today at this point is not traceable by the background companies. We also have analytics at the back end, which produces what is, we call it as the credibility index and ethics score. So we ultimately are building this up at the back end. Now, how this model works is a very simple diagram which of you would understand. There is this job seeker who interacts with employer 1 and employer 2, and he interacts with each of them independently. This black box is the one through which the offers are made, and this is the portal which will send out a regret. It will not inform what is happening to the individual, where he is going, but at least it gives a heads up to the other employees so that they can plan. Now, even Google, I mean, if anyone searches about iAccept or e-notarizing, we are there already. It's a simple site. Today I mean, not much of frills. I'll just quickly run you through how simple it is there for people to use. So it's a simple, in the first step, the employer, all he does is he registers the individual. And the key here is either the UID or the PAN number of the individual. And the second step is, then they just roll an offer, and the details of whether the guy has absconded at a later point of time, all this can be captured. See, here what happens is people join a company, maybe they work for a week, before they set